Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the altitude units in the Avenza Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the settings section, click on the units of measurement button. And at the default units section, click on the altitude button. And as you can see, these are the options that you can choose from. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.